Acid dissolves in water, produces hydrogen ion. This hydrogen ion is called proton. Sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, ethanoic acid, etc. are the examples of acids. Properties of acids. Acids have a sour taste. Acids are corrosive. All acids dissolve in water. Acids cannot show their acidity without water. Color of indicators. Acid turns blue litmus paper red. Acid turns methyl orange to red. Phenolphthalein to colorless. Universal indicator to red or orange depending on the strength of the acid. Reactions of acid. Acid reacts with metal, produces salt and hydrogen gas. The hydrogen gas is burned, making a pop sound. Acid reacts with metal carbonate and produces salt, water and carbon dioxide. The taste of carbon dioxide gas is that the gas is passed through lime water turns milky. Acid reacts with metal oxide and produces salt and water. Acid reacts with metal hydroxide and produces salt and water. The last reaction is very important for digestion. Strong acids and weak acids. Strong acid dissociate completely and pH is less than 3. Sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, etc. are the example of strong acids. Weak acids dissociate partially. Ethanoic acid is an example of weak acid and pH is 3 to 6. Bases are metal oxides or hydroxides. Potassium oxide, magnesium oxide, copper oxide, zinc oxide, magnesium hydroxide, aluminum hydroxide, etc. are the examples of bases. Properties of bases. Bases are bitter taste and soapy feel to the skin. Alkali dissolves in water and produces OH- ion. Color of indicator in alkalis. Alkali turns red litmus to blue, methyl orange to yellow, phenolphthalein to pink, and the universal indicator to blue or violet. Reactions of alkalis. Alkali react with acid, produces salt and water. Alkali plus ammonium salt, we get salt, ammonia gas plus water. The taste of ammonia gas, red litmus is hold on this gas, it turns to blue. This reaction is very important. Ammonium salts are acidic, so they react with alkali. pH scale. This is the power of the concentration of hydrogen ion in the substance. The mathematical definition, pH is equal to minus log 10 H plus. Strong acid. Neutral point is the 7 and near to 14 is the strong alkali. Titration. I am giving one example of titration here. An alkali is taken in the conical flask with pipette. Indicator is added, you will get a color. Then in the acidity acid from purine, and we will get the final color. This way we find the concentration of unknown solution. Salts. Salt is formed when hydrogen from acid is replaced by metal. Sodium plus hydrochloric acid, you get sodium chloride salt plus hydrogen gas. Depending on the solubility, salts are two types: soluble salts and insoluble salts. All sodium, potassium, ammonium and nitrate salts are soluble. They don't have any insoluble salts. All chloride salts are soluble except silver chloride and lead chloride. All sulfate salts are soluble except calcium, barium and lead. Group 1 and ammonium carbonate salts are soluble and rest all the carbonates are insoluble. You have to know this table to find which salt is soluble, which is insoluble. One exercise, list 20 soluble salts. To make the list of 20 soluble salt, you have to take help from the table of soluble and insoluble salt. First you try, then compare with my answer. I have given few, rest of them you have to complete. Another one, list of 10 insoluble salts. For that one, you have to take help from the soluble insoluble salt table. I have given few, rest of them you have to complete. Salts preparation. Example 1. Preparation of silver chloride salt from silver nitrate. Silver chloride salt is insoluble. Adding silver nitrate solution to the sodium chloride. White sediment of silver chloride is formed and the solution of sodium nitrate. Filtering the silver chloride from the solution, then washing the residue with distilled water and dry it. This way we can prepare silver chloride salt from silver nitrate. Another exercise for you. Example 2. Preparation of barium sulphate. This is insoluble salt from barium nitrate. Just like example 1, you have to do it. After finishing, you can compare with my answer. Example 3. Preparation of sodium chloride salt from HCl. Sodium chloride is soluble salt. For this one, we need the titration method. First, I want to take hydrochloric acid in the burette and sodium hydroxide in the conical flask. And methyl orange indicator is added, the color changes yellow to red. Then again titration without indicator. After that, we'll get a solution of sodium chloride. This solution is dilute. We have to heat the solution to the crystallization point. Then cooling. After cooling, we'll get the crystal. The crystals are separated by filtering, then washed and dried. This way, we can prepare the crystal of sodium chloride by the titrational method. Another exercise for you. Example 4. You have to prepare potassium sulphate crystal from sulfuric acid. So the same way, like example 3, you have to do it. After finishing, you can compare your answer with me. If you have any specific question about this topic, you can write in the comment below. I think you will get the correct answer. From this video, if you get a little benefit, please subscribe this channel and share with your friends. Thank you.